Hey you guys, I was getting ready and I wanted to show you my favorite go-to eyeshadow look when I'm trying to be neutral but also add a little bit of flair to my look. So I start off with this brown shade from the Sweet Tea palette. It's going in with some eyeshadow primer from Ulta. I like to use this shade because it's already light, so whatever light shadow I put on top, it's only going to make it brighter. Then I go in with some sparkle on my inner corners. This is the Lancome. I love the application for their mascara, so I've been using it. And added in some blue on the bottom. My new favorite lip combo, you guys, it's gonna be NYX lip liner in brown, this Juvia's Place lipstick in Mademoiselle, and a gloss on top. This is pretty much the finished look, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share these videos if you enjoy watching me get ready. See you in the next video. Bye.